Right, we're down the unit and fixing a little job on the Peugeot. So the speedo sensor decided it was not going to work a few months ago. I just haven't been bothered to do it, so now I have been bothered to do it, and I've ordered a part, and that is the new part that's come thanks to eBay. So we're going to get this sorted, hopefully, in the next few minutes. So it goes onto here, mounts onto there, that plugs in. Nice and simple. Let's get this done and see if it works, because it needs an MOT. Simple. Gearbox oil. I hate the smell of gearbox oil. It goes everywhere as well. And then there's that little retaining pin, which we've got to flick that in when we get the plug on. So, right, this is the fiddly bit. A little bit loosely. I'm no Matt Armstrong, but I don't mind doing the basics. Do what you got to do. Right, that's in. I'm going to put that on here now because the next bit's going to be a bit fiddly. Got to get that little retaining clip round the back of that pin, which is going to be an absolute sod to do, but let's just give it a go. To be honest, it's probably going to be easier if I just take that out. And that's over there. It might take a while, but we'll get there. It doesn't really get much simpler than working on a Peugeot 106. So if I can't do this, I've got no hope. Oh, that's a good sign, isn't it? That's a good sign. I like that noise, that click. That is a good sign. Right, it's on. Let's just tighten up that little, whatever it is, M6. What I was thinking was, because it's up on the ramp at the moment and there's a jet ski beneath it, if I just push the jet ski out and then lower the Peugeot onto the floor, well, just lower the Peugeot so I can get in it, start it up, stick it into first, and the wheels should be reading off the speedo sensor, so I should know if it's working right on the dash. We'll find out in a minute. It's so easy to get off. It took me like 2 minutes to get off. As they always say, it's much harder to put things back together again. In terms of how much leverage I've got, so I got it on, that's all I've got, is that. Quarter of a turn. For a 106, they mostly rot, don't they? Everyone says, I'm surprised your 106 is not rotted away. Well, no, it hasn't actually, because I look after it. Control. All right, let's just give start. Oh, let's go and get the power pack. We've got power. Come on, Peugeot. Nice. Yeah, sweet as a nut. Right, the question is, will it work? So let's put it into first. Yeah, look at that. Let's see how fast we can do on the ramp. No, let's not do that. That's not a good idea, is it? Oh, I'm chuffed with that. I fixed something. Oh, that's quite satisfying, to be honest. £13 on eBay, that was. I was a bit skeptical if it was going to be something more behind here. And if it was that, oh, that would have been frustrating, because I looked on eBay at what price of a new dash, and it's a lot more than £13. So on one of the videos I did on my Instagram, go and check it out, Tom Cave Racing, I fixed the radio. The code I had in the logbook, the original code, it didn't work. So I was just like, I'm gonna have to take the whole thing out. So I took it out, not too easy, it's quite straightforward. So So now
doing some work.
The original Clarion radio works. Pretty cool, right? Let's see if this works, my old cassette. Oh yeah, it works. The sound system's so good on this. For a 30-year-old car, listen to it. Mega. Doesn't get any better than this. Old school cars are just way better than modern cars. It's fact. I paid for this car in 2022. Paid £7,900 for this car, and I had to spend. I probably spent a couple of grand on it since I've had it. I've had the paintwork all resprayed. I've done some little jobs myself, like a new scuttle panel and things that parts that were missing off it. I've had to go and buy, and obviously servicing it as well and whatever have you. So I'll probably spend the best part of a couple of grand. So it probably owes me around 10,000. But I've had this car 4 years now, and I still have no desire to sell it whatsoever. Absolutely love it. How can you not dislike a Peugeot 106? It's just got character. Even the cigarette lighter works in it. I'll show you in about 40 seconds, it still works. Fan works. Everything works. The lights. That's just a bit of a, give it a rev, that'll go off. There you go. Just a, I don't know what it is, sensor of some sort. Always does that. It's part of its character and soul, should we say. The one job I haven't done is I can't lock the door at the moment. Or can I? Last time I used this, I couldn't lock the door when I last went on a road trip in it. But that's working now. There you go. They're just old cars for you. Sometimes things work, sometimes things don't. So that is roasting. So that still works. So old school cigarette lighters, you do not see these anymore. Like, I would love to go back to that era. Just everything was so much more simple, wasn't it, back then? Done. Just to confirm, it's still working. Yeah, we've got plenty of speed. Happy days. Just the only thing now is it's starting to register the miles again, so I won't have any free motoring of miles. I'm going to be doing some more YouTube videos. Check out my other ones. I just did one of We Buy Any Car, take my GT3 to We Buy Any Car, which didn't go down very well with the person who works in We Buy Any Car, but they came out in the end, so go and check that video out. Bear with, I'm going to do some more content with YouTube. Hopefully you find it interesting, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Oh God, I'm locked in now. Oh no. I have to get out the passenger door. I changed my mind. I'm selling it.